Hello, I'm Marco, and I'm here with my sister Sofia, and we are making an ice cream sundae cake. And what we're really making right now is whipped cream. But not any whipped cream, homemade whipped cream.
With the whipped cream, we have to make sure it could stay in the freezer. So we're gonna make a base with gelatin in it so it would all last with the ice cream and make sure it still tastes good. So first we're gonna start with a half a cup of water. Next I'm gonna put a half a tablespoon of gelatin in the water. Marco, you wanna go put this in the microwave or me?
No, you put that in the microwave. While you're gone, I'll pour this in here.
Okay, don't mess up the whipped cream.
No. Really? And here's the tip. You might want to put a little extra if you can't get all of it out. Well, she's gone. I'll get it started to whipping on to stir.
Okay, Marco, I'm back.
So
we have our gelatin base, and I'm gonna slowly pour it into the whipped cream so it will mix in together.
All right, so I'm bringing
I
back
gotta
this.
slowly pour it in. Let it keep mixing. Now that the gelatin is in the whipped cream, we are gonna add some sugar.
All right, I'll add all the sugar because I'm feeling lucky.
So next I'm gonna add some vanilla extract. Can you hold it still while I pour? Okay, Marco, you can pour that in. That was 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Next, we're gonna let this whip until it gets a little...
Like whipped cream?
Yeah, like whipped cream. So now that the whipped cream is mixed, we're gonna turn it off. And Marco!
Yeah?
Where's my cake and ice cream?
Right here, you hold it and I'll taste this.
So you're a taste tester.
You tasted it without me, I saw you.
You're a taste tester.
I got eyes behind my head.
It's always good to taste your whipped cream to make sure that you put enough sugar and that you mixed it correctly. Is it good?
I gotta get one more.
Are you gonna eat it all before we use it?
Just get the real flavor.
So next what we're gonna do is we have a pan lined with plastic wrap, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the cakes back in.
I'm doing this part because I don't even...
Oh, so you know how to scoop it?
Why is this so soft?
We left this out so we could spread it around the cake so it could be like an icing in the middle.
And now we put the next cake on top.
So who made you in charge of scooping the ice cream? Let me know.
Not you.
Oh, because I did not. You are right.
Who made you in charge of the spreading?
You, because you're scooping.
You don't have a choice.
I don't think I need more ice cream. That's a lot of ice cream, Marco. So next you want to take the plastic wrap that's sticking out. You want to wrap the cake up with the extra plastic wrap all the way around. And now Marco, go put this back in the freezer.
That's what I was doing.
So this cake has been in the freezer for what, 2 hours, Marco?
A good 2-3 hours, yeah.
Okay, so now help me take this out and put it onto here. Marco, I don't think we have enough whipped cream. You ate it all. You may end up with whipped cream in your face. I'll turn, you pipe.
Okay. Just down, so you could get whipped cream for the sides.
So right now I'm just using the tip of my spatula to smooth the whipped cream all around.
And make sure the whipped cream don't go out the back of the...
To stop that, you could tie a rubber band or a hair tie around the top so it would stay tight. The good thing about this is that we don't need to make it look perfect because Marco is gonna put some nice decorations on, and we're gonna make it look like a Valastro ice cream sundae because Valastros do ice cream sundaes.
No, I leave it like messy because ice cream sundaes kind of are like messy.
Okay, so can I pipe now? Yeah. My turn. Aha!
Can I put this in the microwave so I can get it like fudgy-ish so it can like drip down the side?
That's a great idea. Go do that. I'll keep piping. Okay, Marco. I'm almost ready for you to do decorations. And there's always room for one in the middle. So while Marco is warming up the hot fudge, I'm gonna take a cherry and put it on top of each little thing so it looks more like an ice cream sundae. Have you ever heard cherry on top makes everything better? That's the best way. And one for the middle. Perfect. Marco, I'm gonna keep going without you.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm gonna take some rainbow sprinkles and kind of hit the top. As you can see, the sides aren't done yet because Marco has a special way. It better look good. Ah! I didn't say have chocolate everywhere. You knocked one of my cherries down. I'm gonna finish putting some sprinkles. Hey! Wash my hand. You're making me dirty.
Chocolate makes everything better.
You are right about that. Chocolate does make everything better, but it does not help your sister's hand that's covered in chocolate. And this looks like a Valastro Sundae. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, and comment down below what you guys want me to make next.